to remove your profile picture on TikTok. Hi there, for you to remove your profile picture on TikTok, you open the application and click on your profile on the lower right corner of the screen. Normally with TikTok, you're not able to change your profile picture or remove it. So what we'll do here is to change it to a another picture, which is a plain picture or just a plain colored picture. So here what you need to do is click on change photo and then take a photo. You just move the camera close to the surface to have a plain background or plain picture, and then capture that image, and then you can just go ahead and click on save and post. Once you click on that, that will be posted into your account, and that will be your new profile picture on the account here on TikTok. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.